nag-engage tayo ha.
Level 10.
Balik agad kayo dito.
Nasaan si Vance?
Ready lang kayo. At saka sa mga ditangs, walang lalabas. Just hold on the castle. Put check everybody.
Yung naglalag nga sa nila.
Put check lang sinabi ko, ba't may nag-OC agad?
Ay, hindi. Heavy clap. May mga brawlers na pero heavy clap.
May one on silence. Dismounted sila. Keep.
OC. Put check ano si everybody. Lucifer, di ka muna lalabas ha. May damnation naman ako eh.
Call nila si ENDX.
May damnation naman ako, Lucifer.
Anong
Huwag ka muna
gamit?
lumabas.
City.
To. Yung,
Hodge nakita ko eh. Hodge tsaka soul sight.
ano nga yung golem yun. Kalimutan.
Golem yun. May soul sight, may hodge. Saka to.
Combo. Side.
Dito na.
Walking sila, walking na.
Hold mo na.
Answer na eh.
Papakidnap na ako sana.
DPS, be ready southeast ha. Southeast. Shallow. Hold. Hold down. Gago, baliw. May baliw doon na naka 100. Chogi, wag ka lumabas. Dito ka lang, Chogi.
Nakabalor yung yung collar.
Oh, on the way na.
Hindi baka pinupukpok tong nasa southwest ah.
Hindi, wala
Kailan?
pang.
Hindi yan. South, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come back.
Lag check.
Lag check lang yun, boys. Lag check lang.
Kaya.
Lag check lang.
Ang nalag.
Lag check lang yun, boys. Be ready. South. Be ready. Cool down. Defend up front. Defense.
5 seconds.
Be ready. Just be ready. Hold.
Five seconds.
Hold. South is shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South is shallow. May crown. Kabakpas. Gimmick lines sa sunod. Hold. Ditang sold. Walang lalabas na ditang. Bulingot! Pumasok ah. Be ready defensive. Be ready lang.
Bago di pa pala ako nagpupunta.
80%.
Defend. South, shallow. 5, 4, 3. Oh my god. 2G8.
Nabedrek.
Kabak. Cool down.
Hindi naman nabato.
Hindi na ba to? Boots lang nagamit.
Hold. Be ready, southeast.
Pwede sa akin.
Southeast on my crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on my crown, boys. May kabakpas. J8 dash shift. Defend.
73%.
Relax lang muna. Relax. DPS cooldown. RB cooldown.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Hold.
2 seconds.
Hold.
Ready na ready.
Defense. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter.
Perfect ko kaya mo na.
Hindi. Ikaw yung mag-engage.
Kasi,
Kaso mag-click yung mga tao. Once they engage, pull out kayo. Hold. 55% pa.
35.
Be ready.
35 na.
Be ready. Everybody on the gate. 5 on the shield. 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. Okay, hold. Come back north. Go back north muna.
20.
Go back north.
1%.
Go back north. Spread. Defense. Stop walking. Come. Click out on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate, boys. On the gate. Ano yung brawl? Defend middle. Be ready. Come north. Gate. Go back to the gate muna. Go back to the gate and spread. Pull down.
consent.
Pinagaw na isa.
Click out. Now. Defense. Heal up. Now, click out. 5, 4. On my crown. 3, 2, 1. On my crown shallow east. Shallow east. Inside. Ba't may namatay na dalawa? Yung mga death tank, huwag kayo masyado mag-tip. Just hold here. Regear kayo if you wanna come back. Hold here. Hold. Naglolog ako. Wait.
Saan sila?
May
Just hold.
namatay sa akin.
Don't spam guard runes. Just hold. 1:2 na yung ratio natin. Hold. Be ready, be ready. Fake night hands now. Kahit isa lang fake na night hands. Fake night hands.
One night held daw.
One night hand, boys. One night hand. Okay, hold. Everybody, shallow south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow south on my crown. Then come back fast. Defense. Give me cleanses to the choke. Demon armors now. Defense. Demon armors. Hold there. Just hold. Pull down. Pull down ng RB. Nezu.
Wala ko na bitaw, sige lang.
Sige. DPS, pull down.
3 seconds. 3 seconds.
3 seconds. 7. Everybody. South shallow again. My crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South shallow. Ang kupal ng root bound. Kailangan natin yung i-fake. Cleanse on the choke, please. Cleanse on the choke. Defense.
Nice. Wala na yung
Hold down.
Fake mo na.
Fake ako. Ako yung fake dapat.
Arson, nag-engage na.
Fake lang ako. Mag-fake muna ako. Ay, fake ko. Fake lang muna ako. Okay, alam nilang fake ako. Come back na, press muna. DPS, be ready on the gate, ha. Hold.
Nag-engage na.
South, shallow, my crown.
Wala
5,
ng root bound.
4,
Northeast.
3, 2, 1. South shallow on the DPS. Contact the shit. And spread. Ditang Solden. Don't let them walk in. Just spread. Sasaraan ko yung gate. Come back na, press muna, Ditang. Come back muna mga Ditang. Uy, gago, anong tumbling yung city?
Huwag kami lang
Nabunggo, bossing.
Support, boss, support.
Gago, namatay si Tokayo.
Pwede na.
Hold lang. East, hold. East, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
West.
Defense. Now you walk out. Come in. Defense out. Come on spread. East. Defense be ready. East. Shallow. 5. Hold. East. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Micron boys inside. Please. Come back northwest. Plans. Spread. Pop your giga. Defense. Full defense. Defense east, guys. East. Masyado na mga agad kayo nag-type. Spread. Oh my god. Hold na muna.
11 pa tayo, 11 tayo.
Tayo mo na lang sa castle dun.
Yeah. Dito na kayo mga Ditang. Come back Ditang.
Pasokin mo na lang sa loob dyan. Doon na natin
Okay. Come northwest muna. Namatay yung perma ko.
Patay na rin
Okay.
yung ano mo, damnation.
Lucy, kailangan mo na pumasok dito. Just hold.
Skybree, what are you doing in there? Second floor, your bedrock.
Dito lang kayo. Just hold.
Dela. Revive ka na, revive.
Dito kayo. Just hold muna kayo dyan, ha. Just hold. Be careful. Be ready defenses, ha.
Wala bang barrel dito? Walang barrel, no?
Wala. South shallow. 5 on the shield. 4, 3, 2, 1. South shallow. Be careful. Ready defensive. Ready defense. Defense now. Demon armors up front. Spread. Don't go out. Just hold here. Just hold. Maganda yung fight natin. Don't worry about it. DPS, cool down, Coliones. Be ready? Defenses?
Ready na. Uy, EP.
Sige. Okay lang ako. Chill.
Ilang seconds yun.
Break lang ako, ha. South shallow. All, be ready? Be ready. Be ready lang. Okay na.
Sige na,
Talaga nila palabas.
Ang advance nyo, guys.
Be ready. South shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the shield. Come back fast. Defense up front. Cleanses, demon armors. Good shit. Good deal. And spread. nagpe-play sila counter kipo. Tayo na lang mag, ano? Let them come, just hold here.
Papasukin mo na lang. Counter pala trip nila eh.
Hug the wall lang.
Ito yung comp na eh. Pareho tayong malakas yung defensive eh. Kung sino magkamali, panalo. Wala lang, nod lang.
Eh di bala, i-open ko tong ano.
Open mo na lang yung chest.
2 minutes pa lang.
Kaya nyo ba mga DPS over the wall? Dito kayo mag-engage ha. Dito kayo mag-engage sa akin. Over the wall lang. East shallow. 5, 4,
Hindi
3.
abot.
Over the wall. Abot yan. Come back.
Hindi.
Come back. Cleanse on the choke. Cleanse on the night armors. Good shit.
Ang dali oh, gago.
Use on W's. Defense be ready ha. Defensive. Heal up front. Nice one. Go back northwest. Don't push out. Everybody, south is shallow. My crown. 5. Hold on. My crown. 5, 4. Na-J ako.
Tuta na
Is
kami.
shallow. Wala talagang ano. Wala talagang mag-engage sa atin. Para tayong mga tanga.
Eh di okay lang, tangin na.
Kunin mo na lang circus yung mga ano, T8. Boots.
Wala ako bag ah. Tangin na.
Okay lang.
Hanap ko na ako ng bag. Para
Mag-boots ka na lang passive.
May bag ako. Trade kit.
Huwag na, para makapag-harbak.
Lang.
2 minutes.
Sasap muna ako.
Bukas na tayo matatapos na ito.
On top ka na, doon ka na sa ano.
Pasok na sa second gate. Ang tagal din.
Last 1 minute.
Just hold.
Kita.
Deka na ma-dismount ka ha.
Hold. Hold lang. Play tayo counter.
Counter din.
Okay, hold na. Play tayo counter. Ready defenses ha. Defense. East shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East shallow now. Micron. East. Ay, kabak.
Dami rin nilang demon.
Wala.
Ang sakit ng demon.
Nakatayo na lang ako, gago.
Maganda defenses natin ngayon eh.
Ang ganda ng defenses. Ganda rin ng defenses nila.
Defense be ready. Defense.
Nice GG.
Nice one. I'll try.
Ang dami na kublin.
South shallow. 5,
Out na
4,
ako.
3, 2, 1. South shallow. Wala tayong mapatay. Spread. Di mo namin ready. Defense. Oh, wait. Cleanse on the choke. Night armors, please. Night armors, and spread. Defense.
Si Corleo.
Polyonis pa yung namatay. Awit. Walk in. South. On the healers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South on the healers.
JJ.
Okay, everybody. On the shield again. South is shallow. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Wala. Tangin mo po. Kabak na.
Wala, hindi, ayan, nag-rootbound oh.
Kabak mo na. Hindi kayo nakadrop DPS, no? Hindi kayo nakadrop?
Nag-engage sila.
Is shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is shallow on my crown. Wala talaga.
JJ.
Hindi na naman. Pukin ang
Zen.
talagang-
Ganito, Zen. Engage ka, ay yung mag-fake ka ng golem, mag-fake ako. Tapos yung ipang-engage mo yung W. Para double click. Sige, try natin.
Sapa.
Dikitan ko kaya itong
Ikaw muna.
GA, no? Pingot.
Sino may night helm? Ikaw, Nezo? Naka-night helm ka? Okay, fake night helm, Nezo, please. Night helm. Ilang CD?
Sige.
Be ready? Give me guard runes. Okay, night helm now. Taraki po. Fake lang to ba, guys?
Ikaw muna.
GA na.
Sige.
Spread lang.
Pwede ako mag-fake ulit.
Fake ka lang ulit. Nice one, good shit.
Ayun na.
Everybody, East shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Give me defenses together. Defenses.
Tigas din nila, gago.
Gago, tangin lang. Pahil kay bully.
Tigas nila, gago.
boss.
Pero gumagana.
Tama yun, na-fake ko eh. Ang tigas lang talaga nila, Seth. Gago.
Hindi, kung ayaw mo mag-walk out, wag na tayo dito kasi pag nag-engage tayo sa choke tayo sila pag nag-engage sa labas.
Tara,
Sa gitna tayo.
Oo, kasi kung ayaw mag-walk out, wag na.
Pa-welcome mo na lang sila dito.
Ingat ah.
Nakuha mo na circus?
Meron pa ako hindi nakukuha. Ibabang ko na lang dito
Bank mo na lang sa ano.
sa north.
Wait guys, huwag niyo iwan yung color. Chill lang kayo.
Dito lang kayo. Walang mag-mount out. Just hold you. Yung looter lang dapat tumakbo. Patigasan to ng defenses game. Maganda yung defenses natin. Nothing to worry about.
Level 16 pa rin sila.
Ilang level sila?
6, tayo 8 na lang.
Sige,
South.
bigyan niyo ng space.
Be ready. Hide your names muna. Dikit kayo sa akin. Be ready, south. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South shallow on my crown.
Yo.
Gagong galing talagang defensive sila. Pukin na gina. Shit! Be ready defenses. Be ready defenses. Oh, okay, hold. Go back in, slowly. Go back in, cool down DPS. Be ready.
Okay
Oh, be ready. Just hold. May clerical ako. Be ready. East. DPS, cool down.
Ako muna.
Papik mo na inside.
Ikaw
Papik
muna,
inside.
yung yung
Hindi. Same tayo. Magpa-fake ako. Everybody, walk in. South Micron, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the gate. Good talaga.
Naka-demon.
Yeah, spread. Go back in muna. Go back in and spread. Everybody, hold. Defense south. South shallow, Micron, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South shallow, may mapapatay na tayo, guys. Ito na yun. Kabak north. Kabak kayo sa gate. Cool down pa kayo. Ready na lahat.
May engage ako.
Ano?
Ang bigot ng laban na to.
Wala na papatay, bossing.
Ang lakas pareho na ano eh. Ang namatay lang yung mga nagkamali.
Yung mga bingat na.
Ayan,
Ayan, nagkamali.
Bingo.
Walk in. Nagdemon armor sa sila. Walk in. Inside, Micron, 5, 4, 3, 1. On the gate na, boys. Si Jude. Boom. Buka. Bukin na nyo.
Wala.
Tangina nyo.
Kite, boys. Kite.
Spread lang. Spread. Don't kite. Don't kite. You brawl with them. Pa-fake po inside. May cooldowns ka. Spread. Defense west. Everybody, walk in. Micron inside. Hold. Inside Micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside na, boys. Inside is huge.
Nice. Dalawa.
Spread again.
May healer
Go
na.
north. Defensive, be ready. Defensive, come front.
Nice.
Defensive. Be ready.
Looking.
Hold. Defense. So you walk in again. Walk in again. I'll fake. Everybody inside Micron on the shield. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West on the shield. Then go back north. Give me heals inside. Tangina, napapatalo na ako dito. Kupal kayo. Defense. Napapagod na ako. Ina. Come south. I'll fake. Come south. I'll fake. North, east. No, east. On the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East on the wall. Please. Damage, please. And spread. Defense. Oh my god.
Grabang sa likod.
May namatay.
Low na talaga sila.
Yeah.
Low na yung
Walk north.
Yung northeast may iwan sila.
Dito kayo notice. Come notice. Roll this notice. Inside Micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now, boys. Please. Pagod na ako. Kabak inside muna. Yozora, get your heal. Dalawa na namatay sa atin.
Dami.
Sa south. Namatay LC mo.
Just hold you. Kabak inside muna. Be ready. I'll fake.
Okay, bumalik sa to.
I'll fake.
Na-fake tayo.
East. Oh yeah. East. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East on the gate. Spread. Defense. Heal. Keep healing. Everybody, cool down. Can you brawl with them? 10 seconds now. Can you brawl with them? Defense is ready. May bagong club. Ready.
Alliance.
Save zone.
Everybody. South shallow Micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South shallow Micron. No boys. Shoot. Come back northwest. Inside. Ilan pa DPS sa party 2?
Isa.
Level 1 yung LA.
Pipake ko na.
Nasa likod yung LA. Nasa choke. Pwede mo i-push to.
Send.
Oh, na-sandwich sila.
Nasa sandwich sila.
Yung northeast.
Northeast. Fake lang. North. Hold lang.
Pwede mo yun yung north.
Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Headbutt. Defense together. Give me defenses. Headbutt. Sino namatay?
Wala namatay sa atin.
Ayaw mamatay.
Fake ka muna, Sen. Yan. Tara, pabalik.
Kachung, nalalaw yung ano, rookie sa likod.
Be ready lang, be ready. Be ready, be ready, be ready. Be ready, be ready.
Bawal
Cool down DPS. Cool down DPS. Cool down DPS.
Meron na.
Everybody counter. All DPS, be ready. Defense. East shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kaya na. Kikilan natin to. Wala na mamatay. Kahil kay Bully. Go back inside. Go back inside muna. Go back inside. Stabilize muna. Stabilize dito.
May DPS ka pa, party 1. Party 2 wala.
Tatlo lang.
Dito sila sa northeast, they're bonking.
Siya tatlo na lang din.
Yung
Come back,
ABC,
kami.
section to sa likod.
Kami.
I-out mo na to.
Hindi. Kami. May pa tayo kung pumasok. Kami.
May 8M
Go
pa
north.
na. May 8M pa sa chest.
Go north. Doon kayo sa gate, ha. Ready to click the gate.
May 8M pa.
With defenses, ha. Defenses ready, ha. Come inside here. Defenses be ready, ha. Defenses be ready.
Walang button.
Hold. Just walk in. Pop your pads and walk in. Walk in. South, shallow. 5 on the gate. 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now, boys. Please.
DPS.
Wala tayong defense. Okay, come back na. We go out
Bail
na.
na tayo.
Bail na.
Dapat. Gago, sayang no kung kailan wala ng DPS.
Talo tayo doon. Level 11.
AFK to. Yung
Hey,
Scorpio.
Ano, nag-regear sila.